I have not seen Woolworths in a gazillion years. I think the last time I saw one was along the south coast of Australia in a town. And here we are. Welcome to Kiel. Kiel was bombed to smithereens, and everything is rebuilt and pretty darn new, even though they rebuilt facsimiles of what was there before, just like Gdansk. It's amazing to see how they copied every single stone. Beautiful stores along the whole length. Sonny would have a comment about where it's closed tighter than those of you who have been in the service can fill it in. The two of us together, solos, making an acquaintance, doing speed dating. Whoever he is, was nice knowing him. This is very unusual. Of course, there's a Starbucks. Well, that's not going to help me. It's all in Deutsch. This was a fish haul from 1909 and 1910. Fishies. Fish haul. And here it's English. The building survived World War II unscathed, despite severe bombing of Kiel Harbor. But it lost its function in 1948. It represented Kiel's emerging fishing industry. This boat is an Ellerbecker dugout. It's the oldest surviving type of boat from the fishing village of Ellerbeck, which was used for work and transport. For example, fishermen's wives used them almost daily to cross the fjord and sell their fresh fish in the city. The hull is made from a hollowed-out tree trunk with the stern and bow stem added afterwards. It was difficult to maneuver and usually rowed. It's the oldest surviving boat from the Kiel area and dates from the 18th century. Almost the entire high seas fleet, Navy, was surrendered to England and deliberately sunk by the German Navy in Scapa Flow. This is disarming of the submarines before their return to Kiel. There is a U-boat out there somewhere, but we couldn't find it right along here, maybe further out. They sunk the entire fleet. Good. Kiel was founded in 1242 and its location on the fjord made it suitable for a port. Starting in 12. Like Lübeck, the young city became a member of the Hanseatic League. Interesting, this was not a lighthouse, but on a light vessel. They were carried on ships and positioned, but the running costs for a light vessel were higher than costs for a lighthouse, so it was replaced. Interesting city. And lovely weather.